Hello everyone. Today we will discuss uh, fractions. As we know that you all know about fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is also known as a part, share. It's also a part of division. And what is the form of fraction? Fractions are written as the form of a upon b, where a is numerator and b is denominator. We all know now some basic terms and some types of fraction. Now here we will discuss types of fractions. So first of all, uh, here proper fractions. Proper fraction, what is proper fraction? Fraction having numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator, you can say that this is the proper fraction. For an example, here a given example, 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 is a proper fractions because in 2 in the form of numerator and numerator is less than denominator, so we can say that this is the proper fractions. Now come to the second, improper fraction. Improper fraction, a fraction which having numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator, you can say that here a given example, 17 upon 3. 17 upon 3, 17 upon 3 here numerator is 17 and denominator is 3, so numerator is greater than denominator, so we can say that this is the improper fractions. Come to the next, mixed fraction. We all know about mixed fraction: 7.5, 6.5, 8.5, 5.5, 7 and 1 by 4. These all fraction are known as mixed fraction. You can also write 7 plus 1 by 4. Now come to the next, like fraction. Like fraction having same denominator. Having same denominator, 8, 8, 8, 8. So if somebody asks to you कि which one is greater between three fractions, so your answer will be, because here the denominator same, so you can say that the numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. Having condition is having denominator is same, having denominator will be same. So 5 by 8 is the greater, and after that 3 by 8 is greater, and 1 by 8 is uh, greater. uh, Now come to the next, unlike fraction. Fraction having different denominator. Different, unlike fraction. Fraction having different denominator. Here given example, 3 by 4, 2 by 5, 6 by 11. So denominator and numerator all are different. Unlike fractions are known as, here 3 and 4 is different, 2 and 5 is different, 6 and 11 is different. Unit fraction, very very important. Sometime when somebody asks you what is unit fraction, you can say that having one numerator. Here some mention some mention some examples: 1 by 13, 1 by 17, 1 by 19. So all three fraction, one is in the numerator, so we can say like 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is a unit fraction because in numerator there is a 1. Come to the next, comparing fraction, very very important. Sometime you have to given some question and comparing the fraction, which one is greater, which one is the less. These fraction in the form of 1 and 2 and 3, more than 3. So today the main important topic is comparing fraction. Comparing fraction having same numerator, having same numerator, having same numerator. In that case we can say that having same numerator, here you can see 7, 7, 7 in the numerator, 7 in all three fractions same. So the smaller denominator greater fraction. In that case, when numerator is same, so which one is greater? Having denominator is greater, denominator is greater, denominator is greater. denominator is greater, smaller denominator. So we can say that smaller denominator, that fraction is greater. Smaller denominator 11 not 8 not 4. So this one is greater. This one is greater because, sir, in all three fraction, numerator is same and denominator is smaller compared to the other. क्योंकि second one fraction denominator 8 and third one is 11 and first one is denominator is equal to 4, so that's why we can say that 7 by 4 is the greatest fraction. When this condition only apply in that where numerator is equal in all three cases. You can see 7 7 7. Now come to the next, comparing of fraction with unequal denominator and numerator. Here you can see 7 by 11. 7 is a different numerator, 11 is also different. 7 7 numerator same, your previous examples. Now come to the comparing of fraction with unequal denominator and numerator. Suppose 3 by 8, 3 by 5, 5 by 6. In all three fraction, numerator and denominator are different. So in that case, we can, first of all, we find out the LCM. 8 5 6 2 2 2 2 ja 2 4 ja 8 2 5 5 3 ja, so LCM will be 120. Next step, so 120 divided by 8, quotient will be 15 and 15 multiplied by 3, so 45 upon 120. In case of 3 by 5, 120 is the LCM and 120 is divided by 5, you will get 24 and 24 multiplied by 3. Now the third one 5 by 6, so 120 divided by 6, the quotient is 20 and 20 multiplied by 5 and you will get 100 upon 120. So here by LCM we make the equivalent fraction of the given fraction. So 45 upon 120, 72 upon 120, 100 upon 120. You can see here when we make equivalent fraction, the denominator of all three equations are equal. So we can say that, so the greater numerator, that fraction is greater numerator, क्योंकि 120 120 120 3 by 8 is equals to 45 upon 120 and 3 by 5 is equal to 70 upon 72 upon 120 and 5 by 6 is equivalent fractions 100 upon 120. Denominator same and numerator, which one is greater numerator? 100. So that fraction is greater. 5 by 6 is greater, so we can write here 5 by 6 and greater fraction 5 by 6 and 3 by 5 also greater than 3 by 8 and 3 by 8 is the smallest fraction between 3. Now